What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, guys. If you're watching this right now, this is our 2-week giveaway. So the rest of this week and 2 more weeks, guys, every decal you buy gives you different entries. For this one, we got small, medium, and large decals. Click the link on the first comment, guys. This giveaway is ending very, very soon. Be the first one to get your entries in, and you can take home this badass truck. C10, blacked out, 24s with a big lip. You already know, king lip. Full interior, big block, like I said. It's a quality truck, guys, and it could be yours. All you gotta do is go shop right now. Like I said, it's ending really, really soon, guys. Good luck to everybody, and that could be yours. It could be sitting in your driveway. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Check it out. Intercooler's mounted. Ayer we stayed till like 12 at night. We stayed and we got this done. Right, JR? We were here till 12 at night.
Yes, sir. I was trying to finish my Hellboy, guys.
Yeah, so we stayed. I was there helping him till 12, and we left real late. Today we came in early, and
yes, I'm waiting for parts for one of the trucks. As soon as I get the parts, I know I'm not gonna have time for my own car, so we'll try to finish it today for sure.
So hopefully today we turn on, we take it outside, and we do a test hit.
¿Sí, Yep. Hoy prende el cabrón.
Pero si no va a poder pisar nada.
Sí. ¿Qué te vas a ver?
Vamos. Look, check it out. So JR went ahead and did the other brace. The thing is mounted.
Dying sturdy, right?
That thing is looking good, but I gotta run a couple errands, guys. We gotta ship some parts out. People been ordering parts that we have here at the shop on the website, so Oscar's gonna help me ship that out. And we're gonna take it to the UPS, and then we're gonna go drop off the dually at the dealership so he can get a much needed oil change. Vámonos.
I was gonna do a time lapse.
Yeah, guys, so remember, we are shipping out stuff from the shop now. So if you guys want to pick some up, we are about to go deliver everything right now. Wheels, catch cans, headlights, cow tracks, headers, whatever you guys want, everything that's in here, guys, is available on the website. Mira el ketchup trabajando, güey. Es todo ketchup. Para que recuerdes los días que hacías algo.
Suelta la cámara.
No, te estoy grabando. I'm camera guy now. Camera guy / store holder. Es todo, mi niño, es todo.
Es lo más caro.
Ahorita te vas con nosotros, Ketchup, para que nos ayudes. ¡Vámonos! ¡Vámonos!
¿Y en la tailgate, güey?
We're gonna paint it anyways. Let's get it. También tenemos trans coolers on there. We just shipped some out, guys. Available in stock. Part tour. The UPS. ¡Hola! ¡Caliente! ¿No te bajaste a grabarme? ¿Tienes frío, verdad? Dame pa. Hola! Is that you when you were little, muñeño?
Yeah.
No mames, a ver. Show the people. Mira, güey, muñeño, güey. Ey, ¿te pareces, güey?
Muñeño, güey.
Damn. Güey, ugly as hell, güey.
Oh, no.
It's not gonna be black, but at least it'll show the outline.
Yeah.
That's badass.
Yeah.
Guys, so what Keith is doing here, as you know, he did the cutouts for JR's custom intercooler. So he's doing the same. We're gonna do the same thing. It's gonna look exactly the same, but we're gonna do it for the yellow Honda, and we're gonna put a Pikachu on it porque es el Pikachu. Eh? So right now he already got the first cuts done. Oscar's gonna do a little cinematic whenever he starts cutting out the Pikachu, so you guys can see exactly how it's done. Keith, getting shit done. You know what I'm saying? Oh, he should have got a precision turbo. Era que se
Ya van a ver, ya van a ver.
perro,
es que no
está perro,
saben.
estamos
No,
jugando.
ya no quiero perder tiempo
Ey,
con
puro
ustedes.
pedo.
Váyanse a la verga.
Se pone
No
rojo.
puedo perder.
Hasta el pescuezo se le queda rojo.
Tengo que acabar esto.
No, hombre, está bien perro ya, está bien perro.
No, quítense.
Ah, la madre.
¿No se puso tan caliente?
Verga, güey, está bien caliente, no mames, Vargas.
No, acá no, mira.
Pues sí, pero allá.
No es que le tocaste allá al otro lado. ¿De qué haces, güey? Creo que el cielo ya.
Came out pretty good. So I ended up just doing it where the lines back and forth.
Yeah.
And like if you get up close on it, you can see the edges and stuff like that, but it's gonna get mounted like that. And then if you wanted to, you could even take like enamel paint. You can fill this up with enamel paint so it could be black, but
So, if they want this, they can hit you up?
that's right. So hit me up on SPL Society on Instagram, or you can come up here to Project Torque and tell me what you think and see if we get it worked out.
Badass.
Well. What's the bad news?
Good news. That looks cool, huh?
Yeah,
So
that was real good.
that looks really good. And then bad news is I don't have enough aluminum to do the rest of the tank. So I have the sides, but I don't have enough to do the top and the, so I'll look up tonight. I'll try to find somewhere that's got aluminum and then we can order some more.
Yeah, that looks fantastic. Pikachu! Ah! Vamos a verle si es algo.
And I emailed OnPoint. He's going to send me the Project Torque Racing logo.
Oh, that'd be
And I'm going to try and do that next week.
For sure. This thing is gonna look somewhat like this when it's completed. Looks badass, huh? Hell yeah.
Está con madre, güey.
That's badass.
El Pikachu.
Mira ya, el Pikachu. Damn, Jared's getting down with the piping, güey.
Ya quiere acabar.
Ustedes salen a la verga. Quédense allá adentro, por favor.
Lo voy a mover.
Entonces, sigue jugando con tu mamada, hombre.
Mira el Pikachu. Mira ya el Pikachu. ¿Eh? ¿Qué se ve bien, perro?
Está bien feo esa madre, güey. Pobrecito, güey.
¿No sabe usted quién es Pikachu?
Sí sé quién es Pikachu, pero no
¿Qué?
me gusta.
¿Por qué?
Está
No
muy- no
mames.
sé cómo.
No mames, ya.
¿Por qué no le gusta?
¿Por qué ando enojado?
No me gusta. ¿Ves? Fíjate, ves a ver el diseño que tiene el Intec para que mires.
¿Cuál es ese?
¿Es mío? El detail, bien mamalón.
El intake.
Ah, pues sí, ya, pero esto es nomás algo así, nomás normal. Acá se lo metieron como 3,000 bolas. Esto
Mira, ¿por qué no le pones aquí un diseño de un hombre, Water Fraile Sex o como se llame, Pikachu, algo bonito? Así como el del
le
Hellboy.
vamos a poner aquí grande Pride Car Racing.
Ahí sí se va a mirar bien.
¿Pero por qué no le gusta así? Mire, venga, para que lo vea acá puesto.
Está muy de tiro.
¿Qué? ¿Muy simple?
Sí.
Ah, pues eso nomás porque.
Todo, pinche viejo, todo.
Esto, mira. Es pura pinche palabra.
Mire,
¿Para qué chico pregunta que luego si les digo la pinche verdad y no la quieren?
mire cómo se va a mirar.
cabrón.
Se mira bien bastardo. Más el mío que es amarillo, este está todo feo, rojo. ¡Cállate!
Todas tus trocas son rojas, perro. Esto lo acepto.
¿Y luego ya? ¿Qué le falta?
Necesita que pensarle a Lino Cooler. Nada, pues ya ando haciendo el downpipe. Ay, cabrón, ya me quita un tiempo.
Ey, ayer prometió a la gente que iba a aprender ayer.
Ande enojado, voy a llegar, güey.
¿Por qué?
Es que nos están chingando.
¿Cuándo?
güey, en lugar-
Que lo pusieron a jalar.
¡Órale, échale!
Nomás están. Déjenme acabar, por favor, no vengan. Tú también nos catás igual.
¿De qué?
¿De
Nomás
qué?
estás chingando. Oiga, ya. ¿Qué anda? ¿Qué?
¿Está chingado? ¿Y yo cuándo?
Ah, oílo.
¿Este qué lado es?
Es el downpipe.
¿Para el exhaust? ¿Y por qué le puso flechas en los dos lados?
Para agarrarlo.
Oh, aquí se lo va a quitar.
Mira, esto es una cagadita.
Entonces lo va a echar para allá y luego lo va a sacar por aquel lado. Pero lo va a hacer de chiquito a grande.
para que agarre otro sonido.
Titanio.
El tuyo va a ser desde acá, de 3, para que agarre otro, no se va a oír igual. Aparte como es 4 cilindros y todo. Ya vas a ver. Hay que ordenarlo, por cierto. Es la segunda vez.
¿Tú también, Woody? Pues tú también tienes varios.
25K cash.
A la madre.
Agárrale aquí, ¿vale? Guys, it's time to do the giveaway of the Mamalona truck.
Esta es la que se de Vargas, te la comiste.
Oh, ¿esa era de Vargas?
Ay, no, hombre, no comió.
¿Sí, vale?
No comió.
No mames. Ey, se estaba quemando, güey.
La rescataste.
Se pasaron de lanza, ¿por qué no me dijeron? Alright guys, so it's time, if you're watching this on live, it's time to announce the winner of this badass truck. The truck or 25K cash. How many people we got on there, Woody?
4.
Four people?
Oh, 65.
Okay. How many?
910.
Damn it, boy, guys. Y ya saben, whenever we do giveaways, we have to do a carne asada. Aquí está Alex, Top Exclusive, Omar 5.3.
Ay, güey.
We got the grill. Oh yeah, como su hoodie dice Cam 5.3. We got el morro con su chamarra de Summer Racing porque le hacen sponsor. ¿Se me hace o por qué, vale? ¿Le dan sponsor? Y luego ahí está el Valira en el sonido que no comió porque me chingué su... ¿Pero no comes de tortilla regular, güey, o qué?
Sí, ahorita.
Oh, well, yeah, guys. So it's time to announce the giveaway winner of this badass truck. As you guys can see, it's got that custom paint job by Pop Exclusive. Pop Exclusive, venga para que les diga ahí cómo está todo el jale del paint job.
Bueno, en esta camioneta nos tardamos un chingo porque hicimos varios tonos para llegar a un tono que queríamos él y yo. So, en esta pinche troca se le invirtió tiempo, cabrón.
Y chingo de dinero también.
Y dinero. El que se la va a ganar se va a llevar un pinche trocononón.
O $25,000
O
cash.
25,000 baros.
And now the upcoming giveaway, guys. The upcoming giveaway is top of the line. But Pop Exclusive dijo, esa no la regales, esa quédatela porque está bien perra.
Está bien perra esa pinche troca.
So, guys, after we announce the winner of this truck, we will be announced our new giveaway. Pues miren, guys. A ver, Pop Exclusive, vamos a darle un walkthrough de todo lo que le hizo a la troca.
Bueno, esta se hizo pedazos como todas, completamente porque el cambio fue total. Desde abajo, todo completamente. Y el tono del color sí está un poquito difícil. So, el que se la gane, le vamos a dar la clave porque para que lo hagan está un poquito complicado. No tiene código.
O sea, la van a tener que traer a usted para que la
Sí,
pinte otra vez.
pero
acá.
lo traen para acá porque no tiene código. Este código nosotros lo hicimos de diferentes tintas. So, nomás para que vean qué se van a llevar.
Deme
Algo
por-
chingón.
And of course, traemos los 28-inch wheels, top of the line. Camila with the Doritos. And then over here, we got the badass interior by Speedy Headliner. He did all kinds of custom stuff to it, guys. We got the underglow, we got the star headliner, and of course we got the badass seats, door panels, dash, everything is top of the line.
Seatbelt.
Come over here, check it out. Look at that seatbelt. Algo bien placosón. Y el sonido que le puso Vargas. A ver, Vargas, ¿qué le pusiste de sonido, cos?
Trae 2 baterías, trae uno de estos Power, Big 3, 2 amplificadores, Epicenter, trae 4 speakers, 4 DS18s, trae 2 tuiros y 4x6 Infinity capas atrás. Y pues la 12.
Se escucha con madre. ¿Te gusta, Kemi?
I like the top.
Oh, okay, the headliner. Okay, guys, also over here we got the badass Bedliner by Pop Exclusive. Of course, the setup did the drop on this truck. He also did the tubs, so it's top of the line. It was no expense spare. We got the principal wing, we got the badass tail lights, and the truck is 100% nice. Whoever takes this truck home is gonna be a happy camper. To win the upcoming giveaway is gonna be decals only. What's the decal? Is gonna be the decal that's up there. So for this one, we're gonna have 3 different sizes of decals. We're gonna have, I think it's like a 12-inch, a 24-inch, and a 36-inch. Now, the bigger decal you get, the more inches you get, but the more it's gonna cost. So, but it's gonna be nothing but decals. So it's gonna depend on you guys what decal you want for your truck. They're gonna look something like that. They're either gonna be smaller or a little bit bigger. I'll bring you the other sample of the other sizes. And yeah, so go ahead, Mike.
Pues vamos a darle duro. Algo importante también que se me olvidó mencionar, que ya tiene una protección de cerámica, de esta troca.
Ya le hizo el ceramic
Ya
coat.
tiene cerámico. Es algo ya que ya tiene una protección
La agua se le resbala como...
por 3 años.
Como water slide.
Water slide.
No te vas a querer subir ahí. Okay guys, so this is gonna be one of the big ones that we're gonna offer on the website. This is what, how many inches is it?
I believe it's what, 36?
36 inch. ¿Y los otros qué sizes son?
12 and 24?
12 inch is gonna be a smaller one about this size. 24 inch is gonna be the one on the truck. And then the 36 inch is gonna be this one. So este está con madre como pa... se me hace que le ponemos este a esta, güey, ¿no? Mira. Damn. Pero pues ya que la regalamos se la ponemos.
Sí, se ve chingón.
Let's pull out the list. There, you got the list right here? Alright, we're gonna pull up the list, guys. We're gonna show you guys all the names. And then we're gonna pick the winner. It's gonna be one winner. And that is it. The new giveaway is sitting out there. So, ahorita hay que mover el asador, güey. Y la línea y todo el jale.
Let them guess what they think it is.
Drop a comment right now, guys, if you're watching this on the live, what you think the next giveaway is going to be. It's gonna be top of the line. Top of the line. Aquí vamos a traer la giveaway. Debe, boy. Mira, hasta los calipers. Los calipers están pintados por Copy Exclusive. Una cosa bien placosa. Una cosa bien placosona. Show them right there, babe. There's everybody that got entries to the giveaway. And there it is. Come over here. So, are you ready to choose the winner?
God.
Who's gonna pick? Ahora que le escoja Vargas. Vale, tú le vas a poner allí el pícale ahí, vale. Alright, guys. After we pick the winner, we're gonna attempt to call them. Hopefully they answer. And then we are going to be sending Omar to wherever the truck goes. He's a designated going to deliver truck guy. Alright, vale. Pícale ahí, vale.
¿Ya está?
Sí, nomás pícale aquí. Nomás pícale.
Is it on there already?
¡Vámonos! ¡Vámonos!
Ay!
Ay.
All right.
Daniel Zambrano.
¿Daniel?
¿Otro
¿Otro
Daniel?
Daniel?
¿Qué pasó?
Este no es.
¿Se mató el taco?
Daniel Zambrano se ganó la mamalona truck or 25K cash. Hopefully they pick the cash. ¿Qué piensas, Mae? ¿Se va a llevar cash o no?
Cash.
¿Sí? ¿Se lo van a llevar cash? ¿Tú qué piensas, Ari? ¿Se van a llevar cash?
Nah, they're gonna take the truck.
Would you take the truck or the cash?
Definitely the truck.
Damn. ¿Tú, Omar, would you take the truck or the cash? You want to take the cash to finish the little blue?
I would like the truck. It's already finished.
Cash? ¿Tú, morro? The truck or the cash?
The truck all day.
Damn it, bro. So Danny, the truck, baby. I was hoping they were gonna take the cash. Nah, but if they take the truck, imagine delivering this truck. That's gonna be crazy. Omar's gonna get everything on video and everything. Keith, what would you take over here eating? What?
Frappuccino.
What is it?
Omar, I fixed Omar's subwoofer, so he bought me a frappuccino.
Damn it, boy. So what would you take if you were to win?
I take the truck. I do blow through with 415s.
Come on, Keith. You got it. Where the winners from?
From Moreno Valley, California.
Moreno Valley, California. Moreno Valley, California. A ver, háblale, ve.
Damn, look you guys.
California.
¿Van a andar bien placoso en California?
California love.
It's coconut.
Hello?
What's up, Freddy?
¿Qué onda, cuz?
What's up?
How you know it was me calling?
Cause I was watching live.
Ay, con la chingada.
Hey, I'm excited. I don't know what to say.
What do you think? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Okay, don't tell me yet. What all did you buy to win this badass truck, cuz?
Shelby shirt.
The Shelby shirt.
Yeah.
Damn it, boy. Okay, for the people that are watching, where are you from? And how long you been a subscriber of the Freddy LSX YouTube channel?
Well, I'm from Riverside, California, and I've been watching for like 2 years.
Damn it, boy.
I've been buying stickers, shirts, you know.
Hey, ¿qué te iba a decir how old are you?
I'm 21.
21? No mames. 21 years old and you're taking one of the, well, okay.
Hitting the clubs.
Tell me right now, what are you thinking? You thinking of taking this truck or 25,000 in cash?
Man, it's hard.
Is your parents there with you, or is your cousins or your brother or somebody there with you?
My whole family there.
Well, what do they think you should take? Ask them.
Wait, give me a second.
I'm nervous for him.
Man, I'm nervous. I'm shaking.
How did you feel whenever you saw your name get in on the computer?
No, it's because I sent the link to my brother, the live, right?
Uh-huh.
No, they watch it. I was in my room. I was like, oh shit, like that's me. And we both came out running out the room. Damn.
Damn it, boy. Cause, hey, I'm gonna tell you right now, the truck is clean. It's got a badass paint job, big wheels, badass interior, custom sound system. But $25,000 in cash is $25,000 in cash.
Yeah.
What are you gonna pick?
I think I'm gonna take the money.
Oh! Damn it, boy! Perfect!
Yeah.
Excellent. No, see, I mean, whatever. If you change your mind, you can still keep the truck. But you taking the money?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir. I'm sure.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wire you some money tomorrow.
All right.
Damn, ya está. Cause
Damn it, boy.
have your bank account information and everything, cause we gonna wire you $25,000 in cash money. Or I mean, if you want to swing by over here, pick it up with cash, you know what I'm saying? You can do that too. But now we'll just wire it to you. Damn, that's badass. I guess we're keeping the truck.
Let's do burnout now.
I'm gonna do a burnout with it right now. No, ya está. Cause thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the brand. And for the people that are here watching the video, what do you gotta say to them?
Oh, just buy it. It doesn't matter if it's the last day, cause I bought the last day.
And you got your answer. Damn it, boy. That one, cause we'll be in touch with you tomorrow, and we'll wire you the money. And do me a favor, whenever you do get the money, take a picture with your phone and take a screenshot or whatever, and show, cause we gotta show these people that we're actually doing this. And you know what I'm saying? So you could, so we can show that you got the money.
All right, man. You got it.
Ya está, cuz. I appreciate it, wey. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
¿Se va a quedar?
Se quedó la mamalona. ¿Qué? Oh my God. ¿Qué piensa, Mike? Damn, boy. What do you guys think? Damn, está bien chingona la troca. So it's gonna go to a lot more shows this year. Yeah. It's more complete now. It's got the full interior. Whenever we were taking it to shows, it didn't have the full interior. So we were just taking the truck with the nice paint job and the wheels. But now we're gonna take it. It's gonna have the sound system playing. It's gonna have the badass interior by Speedy with the star liner, and we're gonna show it off at more and more shows. So guys, now that we've done that, it's time to reveal what the new giveaway is. Damn, boy. Who's gonna pull it in? ¿Vale? Damn it, boy.
Esta es la que se llama Pump Exclusive para los shows.
No mames, güey. That's fucking crazy.
25K cash. Damn.
I didn't know he was giving away that truck.
Oh my God, why do I do this to myself? No mames. Ahí está. Here it is. Here it is. Holy macaroni. Holy macaroni. Oh my goodness. Damn it, boy. Guys, I'm out of breath. I don't know why. Because I'm a little fat. This is our new giveaway truck. Damn, I'm going to get it. Guys, check out the interior. It's got a big block. Pop the hood, Vargas, so we can show on the motor. This was not the plan. But this is what we're giving away right now, guys. This is the new giveaway truck. Every decal gives you different amount of entries on there. I think do you have the list of how many entries you get?
The 12-inch you get 30 entries.
The 12-inch you get 30 entries. The 24-inch
is 35 entries.
you get 35 entries.
And the 36 is 40 entries.
And the 36-inch is 40 entries, guys. Check it out. Badass motor. All the sheet metal work done on this truck, as you guys can see. Of course, it's on the badass intro wheels. It's got the custom paint. It's got the custom interior. It's got the big wheels in the back. Yeah, you like this one? Let me buy it. It's got the whole Project Tour decal, you know what I'm saying? The badass tubs with the doghouse, color match bumpers. It's the whole 9 yards, guys. Entries start right now. Go to the website, click the link, shop, and this truck could be one of yours. Damn, I cannot believe the guy took 25K cash over that truck, but if that's what they want, this is what we offer. So for this one, we'll offer what? Another 25K? So a truck or another 25K cash. You could put a drag pack on this truck, and this truck is probably gonna pop a wheelie at the track. It's got so much torque, it's unbelievable, guys. So This is a new giveaway. Like I said, I wasn't planning on giving this truck away, but it happens. You know what I'm saying? So, ¿qué piensa Bob Exclusive del new giveaway?
Está perrísima esa troca.
¿Sí?
Sí.
¿Cuántas veces me dijo que no la
Ok,
regalara?
No, yo te dije desde que la compraste. Que no la vais a regalar.
Damn. Tú, Alex, what you think of the truck?
Oh man, it sucks, man. They're not gonna pick the cash. They're gonna take the fucking truck. It's a sick truck.
You think so? ¿Tú, Ale?
Yo la llevaría derechos de carrera.
Yo me la llevo pero para la casa.
A Summer Racing. Vamos a llevar a Summer Racing a comprarle más partes. But yeah, guys, thanks to everyone who participated on the giveaway. The guy took the money. This is your chance to win this truck and get your entries, guys. This truck is gonna be top of the line. This is gonna be a 2-week giveaway. So the rest of this week and 2 more weeks. Go shop right now. Every decal gives you entries. Go buy, hit the link, shop. Ya está. Tell the boy.